Once you've successfully jacked up your vehicle, you want to walk around, make sure it's sitting on the jack stands nice and flush. And you also want to go around and make sure that there's space in between the concrete or whatever surface you're working on and the tire. This one's a little low just because the rear has a lot of suspension travel, but there is space underneath that tire for it to take it on and off. Wheels take a lot of abuse, so you can be pretty aggressive with the cleaning methods that you use for wheels. Though if they're painted, the paint on them usually is very strong and very durable. However, you do need to pay attention as to what material your wheels are made out of, just because there are certain tools and products that might not necessarily be suitable for the job. So, for example, in this case, we're working on some black wheels. You don't want to use a degreaser on the actual rim itself, because I've noticed that in my experience, if you use degreasers on black wheels, they tend to stain up and it creates more work for yourself. Some high-end cars have magnesium or carbon fiber wheels. Certain aftermarket wheels are uncoated aluminum, but most new cars have aluminum alloy wheels, and you can use something like wheel acid or aluminum brightener on those wheels, and it'll do a lot of the work for you. In this particular case, we're not going to be using acid. It will damage the black finish on these wheels. So I got my hose right here. These wheels aren't really that dirty or contaminated. There's kind of no sense in taking the time and setting up the power washer. I got a separate wheel bucket with various tools and brushes in there. This is how we're going to clean them in order. We're going to start off by using a wheel cleaner. I like to use P&S Brake Buster. You can dilute this product if you wish, or you can just use it straight. I got mine diluted about 2-to-1, 1-to-1, somewhere right there. I eyeballed it in this foaming sprayer. We got our degreaser for the tires, and we got our iron fallout remover to decontaminate the wheels. To my left, you guys are probably wondering, what is this contraption? This is a wheel dolly. Now, I have this for not necessarily detailing related things, but these do work pretty well. Makes my life a little bit easier as far as when I do a wheels off service. So to clean the inner fenders, you're gonna need a couple things. I have my wheel bucket with my wheel cleaning tools in it, a couple of microfiber towels, all-purpose cleaner, some wax and tar remover, and our fallout remover, a scrub brush, same thing that we use on the tires as well, and a hose or a pressure washer. Realistically, this should be done outside, but it's cold, it's getting dark. I chose to do it this way, so I'm dealing with it. I have a plastic tote to catch any dirty water. All we're gonna do is apply some APC, scrub it with our brush, and then rinse it out, and we can move on to the actual suspension pieces.